Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain the new topic, that is error analysis. Okay, so what is error? That is our first question. What is error? Error શું છે? So for that we have to read this. However hard we try, there is always some difference between the measured value and the true value, means actual value of a quantity, which gives birth to error. इसमें ये बताया गया है कि आप जितने चाहे ट्राई करो, एक ही एक्सपेरिमेंट आप बार बार करोगे, हर बार डिफरेंट रीडिंग ही होगा. ठीक है, सब रीडिंग जो होंगे उसमें थोड़ी बहुत एरर होगी ही, मीन्स डिफरेंस होगा. वो जो डिफरेंस है उसी को एरर बोला जाता है. ठीक है, सो हाउएवर हार्ड यू ट्राई, there is always some difference between the measured value and the actual value. That difference is called the error. Okay, let me take one example. See this. Here we are doing one experiment. We have to measure the length of one road. We don't know what is the length of the road, right? We are doing the experiment 10 times. Okay, we just want to measure the length of the road and we are doing the same process 10 times. So what is our first reading? 12.20 meter. Second time we measured the length, it will be 12.22 meter. Third time 12.27 meter. Fourth time when we are going to measure, it is 12.28 meter. Fifth time 12.25 meter. Sixth time this. So like that 10 different readings are written over here. Experiment is the same only, but we have 10 different readings. So now what should be the actual length of the road? तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो रोड हम मेजर कर रहे हैं उसकी एक्चुअल लेंथ पता कैसे चलेगी? बिना मेजर किए तो रीडिंग नहीं आने वाला. जो भी उसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू है वो मेजरमेंट के बाद ही आएगी. ठीक है, तो ये सारे मेजरमेंट्स हैं, वो हमारी मेजर्ड वैल्यू है, बट एक्चुअल वैल्यू कोई ऊपर से तो हमें बताने वाला नहीं है कि भाई इस रोड की लेंथ फिक्स इतनी ही होनी चाहिए. वो एक्चुअल वैल्यू भी हमें ही फाइंड करनी है. सो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सो देयर इज अ मेथड टू फाइंड द एवरेज ऑफ ऑल दिस रीडिंग. हमें क्या करना है, ये जो सारे रीडिंग्स आए हैं उसकी एवरेज फाइंड करनी है. ठीक है, सो हमने 10 रीडिंग्स लिए हैं, तो फाइंड एवरेज ऑफ दिस 10 रीडिंग्स. ऑल द वैल्यूज वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड एंड देन डिवाइड इट बाय 10. So we will get one average value. That average value will be our actual value of the road. Here we did the experiment 10 times. So denominator is 10. Suppose same experiment is performed n times. We don't know how many times. जो n times आज performance થાય તો actual value શું થઈ જાય? x1 plus x2 plus x3. આવું કેટલી વાર એડ કરવાનું? n times, and divide it by n. So this is what the formula to find actual value, which is also known as mean value. So in this experiment when you will find the actual value, આપણે જ્યારે આની actual value find કરશું તો value આવે છે 12.25. Using this formula if you will find, it will be 12.25 meter. દરેક વખતે 12.25 નહીં આવે, એની આજુબાજુનું રીડિંગ આવશે. બરાબર? તો દર વખતે એમાં કંઈક ને કંઈક એરર રહેવાની જ છે. Now if you will see what is your first reading 12.20 અને actual શું છે 12.25. So can I say there is an error of 0.05 meter? બરાબર? 0.05 મીટરની એમાં એરર છે. એવી રીતે સેકન્ડ રીડિંગ 12.22. So in this also we have error of 0.03. 3 નો ડિફરન્સ છે. So the error over here is 0.03 meter. Right? So see, errors are written over here. In first reading, પહેલા રીડિંગમાં એરર કેટલી છે? તો કે actual value minus measured value. Actual value minus measured value. તો જ difference મળે. And when you will find the difference, that is only the error. તો પહેલામાં error કેટલી છે? x minus x1 જેટલી. x means actual value, x1 means measured value. That is 0.05. Secondમાં error કેટલી છે? This minus this. So 0.03. In third, what is the error? This minus this. So error will be negative over here. Why? Because the measured value is greater than actual value. So in this situation, error will be negative. So keep it in your mind, error can be positive also and it can be negative also. Okay? So same way, in all the readings we can find the error. દરેક રીડિંગની error આપણે અહીંયા લખેલી છે. See this reading. Here it is 12.25, which is exactly similar with actual one. So in this, there is no error. So we will write 00. Clear? So that's all about error. હવે આપણી પાસે error પણ આટલી બધી છે. We are going to do only one experiment. એક જ experiment ની અંદર આટલી બધી error આવે છે. So which error will be true for us? આપણે કઈ error ને confirm ગણવી? This one, this one, this one, this one, which one? Okay? જેવો question અહીંયા હતો કે આપણી પાસે 10 અલગ અલગ reading છે. તો which will be the correct one? Which will be the actual reading? We don't know. તો આપણે શું કર્યું? Average find કરી. તો એવી જ રીતે આ બધી error માંથી exactly error કઈ છે? To find the perfect error, what we will do? જેટલી પણ error છે એની પાછી average find કરો. So you will get the average value of error. Right? So let me find the average value of error. So delta x1 plus delta x2 plus delta x3, what we are doing? આ બધી જ error ની જે value છે એને add કરવાની છે. That's why modulus is given. Modulus છે મતલબ કે ખાલી value ને divide કરવાની છે, એની sign નહીં. Positive, negative we have to ignore. Okay? Just values we have to add. Clear? And then divide it with total number of times you repeated the experiment. અહીંયા આપણે 10 times experiment કર્યો છે તો આપણી પાસે 10 error છે. So 10 will come in numerator, 10 different values, and denominator 10 will come. So that will give us the one error, general error, the average of error, which is known as mean absolute error. Okay? આ જે બધી individual error છે, individual error means દરેક એક્સપેરિમેન્ટમાં આવતી અલગ અલગ error એને absolute error કહેવાય. આ બધી જ error absolute error છે. બરાબર? પણ એમાંથી જ્યારે એની એવરેજ ફાઇન્ડ કરશો ત્યારે જે error આવશે એને mean absolute error કહેવાય. So what is the formula to find mean absolute error? Delta x equals to sum of all the errors divided by total number of experiment, or you can say total number of readings, or total number of errors. All are equal only. Okay? Absolute error means delta x n is equal to. How can we find absolute error? Original value minus measured value. Original means actual. So actual value minus measured value. Actual value minus measured value. So in general, actual value minus xn. N means it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. જેટલી time experiment કર્યો છે એટલી અલગ અલગ value n ની મળે. Okay? So that's all about absolute error, mean absolute error, and actual value of experiment. Okay? So now see this. Any physical quantity is written as this. Physical quantity. See, in this experiment what we are going to do, આપણે શું કરતા હતા? એક રોડ છે કે જેની લેન્થ મેઝર કરવી છે. બરાબર? તો એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ ઉપરથી આપણને લેન્થ કેટલી મળી? 12.25. So x means this. આટલી એની ઓરિજિનલ વેલ્યુ છે, એમાં એરર કેટલી આવી શકે છે? So that is delta x. So delta x તમે અહીંયાથી ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકો છો. આ બધાનો એડિશન કરો, ડિવાઇડ બાય 10 કરો એટલે તમને ડેલ્ટા એક્સ ની વેલ્યુ મળશે. ઓકે, લેટ વી ડુ 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. તો આનો સમ થાય છે 0.18 divided by 10. Okay, so what it will be? Division માં 10 છે તો what will be the answer? 0.018. This will be the absolute error, mean absolute value of the error. Okay, so this way any physical quantity is written x plus or minus delta x, the actual value, and plus or minus error. Clear? Okay, now fractional error, which is also known as relative error. Fractional error means what? This formula just you have to remember. Mean absolute error upon mean value. So see here, mean absolute error, here we found delta x, and mean value means actual value. So delta x upon x, that will be the fractional error, delta x upon x. And percentage error, what we have to do? Fractional error into 100. That will give us percentage error. So fractional error delta x upon x into 100, that is equal to percentage error. So that's all about theory of error analysis. What is actual value, mean absolute error, fractional error, percentage error. So this you please note down in your classwork. So tomorrow in online class we can start the problems, sums based on this theory. Thank you.